Okay, you've got a brand new article. You want to put it on your website. You want it to get ranked. Should you submit it to Google Search Console? The answer is probably yes. And here's why. Usually when you create an article, and let's say you're using WordPress and you have a plugin that creates a sitemap for you, it will automatically get added to the sitemap and Google will read your sitemap and then put it in its index. The only thing is sometimes Google doesn't come back to that sitemap very frequently. In fact, if you don't publish regularly, it might not come back and read your sitemap till maybe every few days, which means you'll be waiting a few days after you've already written your article before it starts to get ranked. This is a brand new article I created using MakeMedia. It took me about 20 minutes, and all I did was talk and answer a few questions, and then I made a few edits, adding images, putting in some links. So this article is all ready to go, and it's fully optimized because MakeMedia takes care of a lot of the optimization for me. Let me just share the date and time so we can see how fast it could actually get ranked. Right now, I've got 4:15 p.m. on February 18th, 2025. I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to paste it right here at the very top. This is my search console. I'm going to paste the URL here, hit enter, and Google then goes and says, oh, this page is not in the index. Do you want it to get indexed? Just select request indexing. It'll then go look at the page, see if it's indexable, and then start its queue. And then you just wait. After a few seconds, it'll come back and tell you that indexing is requested and you're good to go. Here we are the next morning. It's February 19th, about 9 a.m. I'm going to do a search on Google on how to make a business glossary, which is what I'm trying to get ranked on. I did this in incognito mode so that it didn't use any of my prior search history in my web browser as it came up with the results. Take a look. It's got a sponsored listing here, and as I scroll down, right there, MakeMedia's article is already ranked. Now, it got to page 1 because I very carefully chose that keyword, and it will start to increase the rank as time goes on. I'm putting links from my prior articles pointing to this one and then doing some other things to help it elevate the rankings. Take a look at what's happened with some of the other pieces of content that I've put out. Things like Enterprise ROI Calculator, CEO's Guide to Content Marketing, MSP Content Marketing. These articles collectively talk about content marketing and how to use AI with your human intelligence to get ranked very quickly and also provide LinkedIn posts that generate interest. Normally, creating high quality content like this can take a very long time. Hours, maybe days, just for one article. You can do it very quickly using MakeMedia. Watch this next video and I'll show you exactly how you can create very high quality content just by talking literally in a few minutes.